Imagine waking up in the morning and realizing that your eyesight is sharper, clearer, and more focused than it was the night before. Imagine opening your eyes and feeling as if they've been repaired while you slept. Sounds almost impossible, right? But what if I told you that there is one specific fruit, one simple, affordable, everyday fruit, that research and experts like Dr. William Lee highlight is incredibly powerful for nourishing and protecting your eyes overnight? And what if adding this fruit to your nighttime routine could help slow down age-related vision loss, protect your retina, reduce dryness, strengthen night vision, and even improve the health of your blood vessels that supply your eyes? Before you go thinking this is some exotic, hard-to-find fruit, stay with me, because the fruit I'm about to share is one you've probably eaten dozens of times, just never at the right time or in the right way to unlock its full eye-healing benefits. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because not only will I reveal the fruit, but I'm also going to explain why eating it before sleep is the real game changer and how this timing turns an ordinary food into a powerful tool for eye repair. Now, before we jump into the fruit itself, let's talk about why your eyes need nighttime nutrition in the first place. Most people don't think about the fact that your eyes are working nonstop from the minute you wake up to the minute you fall asleep. They're constantly focusing, adjusting to brightness, filtering light, protecting themselves from UV exposure, blue light from screens, dust, dryness, and even internal inflammation that builds up throughout the day. By nighttime, your eyes are tired, and your retinal cells, the cells responsible for capturing light and forming images, are fatigued. Your tear film becomes unstable, your blood vessels may become inflamed, and your macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp vision, becomes stressed. While you sleep, your eyes actually go into repair mode. They rebuild damaged cells, restore moisture, and clear out waste that accumulated throughout the day. But here's the catch: they can only repair themselves effectively if your body has the right nutrients available, and this is exactly where the fruit we're talking about becomes so powerful. But before we reveal it, let's talk about the bigger picture. Eye diseases such as macular degeneration, cataracts, glaucoma, and diabetic retinopathy are skyrocketing, especially after age 40. And one of the biggest reasons is inflammation and oxidative stress, the kind of internal damage that slowly chips away at your cells. Your retina, in particular, is one of the most light-sensitive and oxygen-hungry tissues in the human body. It gets worn down faster than almost any other part of your body. And because most people don't get the right nutrients in the right amounts, the repair process simply can't keep up with the damage. But research shows us again and again that diet can dramatically change your eye health, not just in the long term, but literally overnight. Your body pulls nutrients from your bloodstream throughout the night to rebuild everything from your brain cells to your immune system, and your eyes benefit massively from certain vitamins, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. Which brings us to the big question: what is the fruit that scientists, ophthalmologists, and Dr. William Lee highlight as one of the most powerful nighttime eye protectors? The answer is blueberries. Yes, blueberries. Not a rare fruit from some distant rainforest, not something you have to search for in expensive specialty stores. Just simple, everyday blueberries, one of the richest natural sources of anthocyanins, lutein, vitamin C, resveratrol, and flavonoids that specifically target eye repair. But here's the secret that most people don't know: eating blueberries before sleep allows your body to use these nutrients during the exact window of time when your eyes are healing the most. It's like delivering a repair kit at the perfect moment. But let's break down why this works so effectively. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help restore the photoreceptor cells in your retina. These are the cells responsible for helping you see clearly in low light. As you age, these cells naturally weaken, which is why many people start to notice worse night vision in their 40s, 50s, and beyond. Anthocyanins help reduce this decline and support better nighttime clarity. They also help strengthen the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, blood vessels so delicate that even high blood pressure or inflammation can damage them. Studies show that blueberries improve microcirculation, meaning they help oxygen and nutrients reach your eyes more efficiently while you sleep. Now imagine going to bed and giving your eyes the perfect fuel they need to repair themselves. Blueberries basically act as a nighttime eye treatment that your body applies internally while you rest. Another big benefit is their ability to reduce oxidative stress. Your eyes are exposed to intense light every day, especially blue light from your phone and computer screens. This creates oxidative stress that damages retinal cells. Blueberries are like a shield. They help neutralize the stress and slow down damage. And because nighttime is when your body clears out waste and repairs cells, providing antioxidants right before bed amplifies this process. It's like sending in reinforcements exactly when the battlefield is being cleaned up. But there's even more. Blueberries contain natural compounds that support the regeneration of rhodopsin, a pigment in your eyes that helps you see in the dark. This is especially important for older adults who struggle with low light environments. So if you've ever noticed difficulty driving at night, or adjusting when walking from a bright room into a darker room, this is a sign your rhodopsin levels might be lower. and blueberries help support that. Now, something else people don't talk about enough: inflammation. Chronic inflammation affects eye pressure, blood vessels, tear film stability, and retinal health. Blueberries are one of the most anti-inflammatory fruits you can consume. Eating them before bed helps your eyes heal inflammation overnight, which can reduce feelings of dryness, burning, or heaviness in the morning. If you're over 40, 50, 60, or especially 70 and up, this becomes even more important. Your body becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients during the day because of digestion, stress, and mobility changes. But at night, absorption actually becomes more efficient because your system is at rest. This means the antioxidants and polyphenols in blueberries get delivered to your eyes at the time when your body is in full restoration mode. But let's go deeper into the science. According to research highlighted by Dr. William Lee, foods rich in anthocyanins help support angiogenesis balance, meaning they help your body grow healthy blood vessels and stop the growth of unhealthy ones. This is crucial for preventing diseases like diabetic retinopathy, which is caused by abnormal blood vessel growth in the eye. So not only do blueberries repair and protect, they help regulate the biological processes that keep your eyes functioning properly as you age. One of the most interesting things researchers discovered is that the combination of anthocyanins, lutein, and vitamin C increases antioxidant activity specifically in the eye area. Blueberries are one of the few foods that naturally combine all three and deliver them in a way your body can easily use. This makes them one of the most complete eye-supporting fruits on the planet. Now let's talk about how much to eat and when to eat it for the maximum effect. Ideally, you want about half a cup to 1 full cup of blueberries 1 to 2 hours before bed. This timing gives your body enough time to begin absorbing the nutrients so that by the time you fall asleep, those nutrients are already circulating through your bloodstream and reaching your eyes. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or even in a small bowl of Greek yogurt if you want added protein and probiotics. Just don't mix them with high sugar cereals or desserts because that can spike insulin and interfere with the repair process. A great trick is to mix your blueberries with walnuts or almonds. The healthy fats help your body absorb the antioxidants even better. Or you can simply eat them alone. They're powerful enough on their own to support serious improvements in eye health. Another reason blueberries work so well at night is because they support melatonin production. Yes, these little berries actually help your body regulate sleep hormones. Melatonin itself is an antioxidant, and high melatonin levels at night support eye repair even more. So by boosting melatonin naturally, blueberries help both your sleep cycle and your eye healing cycle. Consistency matters. Eating blueberries once won't change your eyesight, but adding them to your nightly routine, even 3 to 5 times a week, can lead to noticeable improvements over time. You might find your eyes feel less dry in the morning. You may notice better focus, sharper clarity, and improved night vision. And over the long term, this simple habit can help protect against age-related eye diseases. So at the end of the day, the best fruit to eat before sleep for healthy eyes, better night vision, and long-term retinal protection is blueberries. And the earlier you start incorporating this nightly habit, the better your results will be. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more natural, science-based ways to protect your eyes, boost your energy, and support your long-term health, make sure you stay connected. Key PNT1: Why nighttime nutrition matters more for eye health than you think. When most people think about eye health, they assume the key is what they do during the day, like getting sunlight, reducing screen time, or taking breaks from digital devices. But an incredibly important factor that almost everyone overlooks is what happens at night, especially in the final hours before sleep. Your nighttime habits, particularly what you eat, directly influence how well your eyes repair themselves, how efficiently blood flows to the retina, and how much oxidative stress your eyes carry into the next day. During sleep, your eyes go into full restoration mode. This is when the retina recycles old cells, reduces inflammation, and clears out metabolic waste through a process similar to deep cleaning. If your diet supports that cleanup, you wake up with clearer, sharper eyes. If it doesn't, inflammation builds up, leading to issues like dry eyes, blurry vision, age-related decline, or nighttime strain. This is why nighttime nutrition is one of Dr. William Lee's biggest focus areas. He emphasizes that certain foods can actually supercharge your body's natural repair system, especially foods rich in antioxidants that target free radical damage inside the eye. The retina consumes more oxygen than almost any other tissue in the body, which means it generates more oxidative stress. If you support it properly before bedtime, you're essentially assisting your eyes during their highest repair cycle. On the other hand, poor nighttime choices, like sugary snacks, salty foods, or processed carbs, can increase inflammation and restrict healthy blood flow just as your body tries to heal. Think of your nighttime diet like fueling a machine before a long maintenance cycle. If the fuel is high quality, the restoration works smoothly. If the fuel is poor, the system struggles. People over the age of 40 especially benefit from the right nighttime nutrients because natural antioxidant levels decline with age and macular degeneration risk increases. When you give your body targeted phytonutrients before sleep, you're helping your eyes stay younger for longer. This is exactly where one specific fruit comes in, and it's not one of the typical fruits you hear eye doctors talk about. Most people hear carrots and think of eye health, but carrots only provide beta-carotene. Your eyes need a much wider range of antioxidants, anthocyanins, lutein, vitamin C, melatonin-supporting compounds, and polyphenols. The fruit Dr. Lai recommends before bed contains a unique combination of these nutrients that directly nourish the retina, support blood vessels inside the eye, and help reduce nighttime inflammation. And when eaten before sleep, the effects are amplified because your body uses these nutrients during its repair window. That's why nighttime eating isn't just about satisfying hunger, it's a strategic tool for better vision. KY.2, the Faiwan fruit Dr. Lee recommends before sleep. So what is this fruit Dr. William Lee wants you to add before sleep? It's kiwi, a small, fuzzy, often underrated fruit that happens to be one of the most powerful nighttime foods for eye health. Kiwi is packed with nutrients that directly support your retina, your macula, and your blood vessels. Most people don't realize this, but kiwi contains some of the highest concentrations of vitamin C of any fruit on the planet. Yes, even more than oranges. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in protecting your eyes from oxidative damage caused by stress, age, and exposure to screens. But what truly makes kiwi special is that it contains lutein, a rare eye-protecting nutrient that accumulates in the retina and helps filter harmful blue light, reduces macular degeneration risk, and supports visual clarity. Another reason this fruit is so effective at night is because kiwi helps naturally improve sleep quality. It contains serotonin and antioxidants that promote deeper, more restorative sleep. And deeper sleep means better nighttime repair for your eyes. When you enter slow-wave sleep, your body increases blood flow to organs that need healing, including your eyes. The phytonutrients in kiwi act as fuel for your retina during this repair period, which helps reduce inflammation and improve long-term eye health. Kiwi is also rich in polyphenols, compounds that help strengthen the tiny blood vessels that supply your retina. If those vessels stay strong and flexible, oxygen delivery improves, reducing the risk of age-related decline. This is especially important because poor circulation is one of the earliest contributors to blurry vision, dark spots, and retinal stress. Kiwi works almost like a natural antioxidant shield, protecting these vessels from hardening or narrowing. One of the most overlooked benefits of kiwi is its impact on melatonin regulation. While it doesn't contain melatonin directly in large amounts, it helps your body produce it naturally. Melatonin has powerful antioxidant properties specifically targeted at the eyes. Most people think of melatonin only as a sleep hormone, but your retina actually produces melatonin as well, and this hormone protects eye cells from oxidative stress. By eating kiwi before sleep, you support this process, giving your eyes an extra layer of nighttime protection. Dr. Lee also emphasizes that kiwi's fiber helps stabilize blood sugar throughout the night. High nighttime blood sugar spikes increase inflammation and worsen oxidative stress in the retina, especially for older adults. Kiwi prevents these spikes, giving your eyes a stable environment to repair themselves. Whether you're dealing with dryness, blurry vision, age-related decline, or just want to protect your eyes from long-term damage, kiwi is one of the simplest, most effective changes you can make before bedtime. KY.3, how kiwi protects the retina and stops age-related decline. One of the most powerful ways kiwi supports your vision is through its direct effects on the retina, the light-sensitive tissue that allows you to see clearly. The retina is highly active metabolically, meaning it uses a lot of energy, which leads to more oxidative stress. This stress is one of the major drivers behind age-related eye problems like macular degeneration, cataracts, and nighttime vision issues. Kiwi's antioxidants step in as a powerful line of defense. Vitamin C in kiwi is a crucial part of that defense system. Retinal cells depend heavily on vitamin C to neutralize free radicals, and kiwi is one of the richest food sources of this vitamin. But vitamin C doesn't work alone. Kiwi contains carotenoids such as lutein and beta-carotene, which accumulate in the macula, the part of your eye responsible for sharp, central vision. These carotenoids strengthen the macular pigment, making it more resistant to damage from UV light, blue light, and oxidative stress. Another key player is the high level of polyphenols in kiwi. These compounds reduce inflammation in the blood vessels feeding your retina. When inflammation is low, blood flows more smoothly, delivering oxygen and nutrients to the cells that need them. With better nutrient flow, your retina stays healthier, repairs faster, and functions more efficiently. Kiwi also contains a unique enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down proteins during digestion. Although this enzyme doesn't act directly on the eye, it plays a major role in helping your body absorb more nutrients from the rest of your diet. Better absorption means more antioxidants available for the retina. For older adults who often struggle with nutrient absorption, this is a major benefit. The combination of serotonin, boosting properties, and natural sleep enhancement effects helps promote deeper REM and slow-wave sleep. During slow-wave sleep, blood flow to the retina increases significantly, providing the perfect environment for cellular repair. Kiwi supports this process by supplying the antioxidants needed to repair oxidative damage. Something many people overlook is that kiwi's potassium content supports healthy blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the top risk factors for retinal damage, especially in people over 50. By keeping pressure stable, kiwi helps protect the delicate blood vessels inside the eye from rupturing or weakening. Stable blood flow equals stronger vision and reduced risk of long-term eye diseases. In short, kiwi acts like a full-spectrum retinal protector. It strengthens the macula, reduces inflammation, boosts circulation, supports nighttime repair, and helps prevent age-related decline. It's rare for one fruit to do so much for your vision, which is exactly why Dr. Lee recommends it before bed, when your eyes need antioxidant support the most. KYPNT4, kiwi's anti-inflammatory power and its effect on long-term vision. Inflammation is one of the biggest hidden threats to your vision, especially as you age. Chronic inflammation damages the tiny blood vessels in the eye, reduces the thickness of the macular pigment, and increases the risk of conditions like glaucoma, cataracts, and diabetic retinopathy. Kiwi is one of the best anti-inflammatory fruits you can eat at night because its nutrients actively lower inflammation while you sleep. Almost every compound inside a kiwi contributes to lowering inflammation. Vitamin C reduces oxidative stress, while vitamin K helps regulate calcium in blood vessels, preventing stiffening and inflammation. Kiwi's polyphenols also inhibit inflammatory pathways inside the eye. One pathway in particular, called NF-κB, is responsible for signaling inflammation throughout the body, including the retina. Kiwi naturally suppresses this pathway, helping reduce swelling, redness, and cellular damage in your eyes overnight. The antioxidants in kiwi also help rebuild the protective barrier inside the retina. This barrier filters out harmful light and toxins, but it weakens with age. Kiwi's lutein and carotenoids reinforce this barrier and support the regeneration of photoreceptor cells, the cells that detect light and send signals to your brain. Protecting these cells is one of the most important things you can do for long-term vision. Kiwi's anti-inflammatory power is especially important for people who experience dry eyes or redness. Dry eye is often caused by inflammation in the tear glands or eyelid tissues. Kiwi's antioxidants help reduce that inflammation, improving tear quality and moisture retention. Eating kiwi at night gives your eyes the hydration support they need, especially after long days of screen exposure. This fruit also supports the endothelial cells lining your blood vessels. When inflamed, these vessels stiffen and restrict blood flow, depriving your eyes of oxygen. Kiwi helps keep these vessels flexible, improving circulation and nutrient delivery to the retina. One lesser-known benefit is that kiwi helps balance immune activity in the eye. Chronic inflammation triggers overactive immune responses, which can contribute to conditions like uveitis or early macular degeneration. Kiwi's immune-regulating polyphenols help calm this overactivity, offering long-term protection against inflammatory eye diseases. By combining anti-inflammatory nutrients, circulation-boosting compounds, and antioxidant support, kiwi provides a powerful natural defense system that keeps your eyes younger, clearer, and healthier, even as you age. KYPNT4. The best way to eat kiwi before bed for maximum eye benefits. To get the full eye-protecting power of kiwi, timing and pairing matter. Dr. Lee recommends eating kiwi 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. When your body is transitioning into restoration mode, this is when serotonin levels rise, melatonin production starts, and your retina begins its repair cycle. Kiwi eaten at this time enhances melatonin production naturally, helping you fall asleep more easily while delivering antioxidants exactly when your eyes need them. The ideal serving is 1 to 2 kiwis. 1 kiwi delivers a powerful antioxidant boost, but 2 elevate the polyphenol and vitamin C intake, enough to maximize retinal protection overnight. People with blood sugar concerns can safely eat kiwi at night because its glycemic index is low and its fiber content helps stabilize glucose during sleep. You can eat kiwi as is, sliced, or mixed into a simple nighttime yogurt bowl if you want extra probiotics to support digestion. Pairing kiwi with Greek yogurt or chia pudding enhances nutrient absorption and provides healthy fats that help carry carotenoids into your bloodstream more efficiently. Avoid pairing kiwi with heavy, sugary foods because they cause blood sugar spikes that increase inflammation. If you prefer something simple, just cut the kiwi in half and scoop it with a spoon. Its seeds contain additional fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, which help support tear production and reduce dry eye symptoms. Make sure to choose ripe kiwis, which are softer and sweeter. Ripe kiwis have higher antioxidant levels compared to underripe ones. If your kiwi is too firm, leave it out at room temperature for a day or two. Consistency is key. The benefits build up over time, especially for older adults. If you make kiwi a part of your nightly routine for at least 30 days, you'll support your retina's ability to regenerate, reduce inflammation, improve nighttime vision clarity, and enhance overall sleep quality. By making this one small change, adding kiwi before bed, you're strengthening your eyes, supporting long-term vision, and giving your body the nighttime nutrients it needs to heal.